NeoCarbon Capsule. Ingredients: activated charcoal, anise, mint. 40 mg, 50 mg, 145 mg capsules. How to use. Used treat stomach pain caused by excess gas, bloating, abdominal spasms or indigestion. It is used to treat symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. How to use. Take 3 to 5 capsules, 2 times a day after meals. Take with a full glass of water. Swallow as a whole. Do not chew, break or crush. Try to space other drugs from this. 1 by 2 hours. Caution and warnings. Talk to your doctor about all your medical conditions before taking this drug, including gallstones, stomach ulcers, reflux disease, heartburn, liver problems.